The German-designed and engineered K4 Power Control High Pressure Washer is part of the latest pressure washer range from the leading cleaning technology brand Kärcher. This is a fantastic electric pressure washer producing 2100 PSI, and with the new Karcher Home and Garden app, you can get the perfect settings and guidance for whatever you're cleaning. This model features Kärcher's advanced nozzle technology, which gives a wider spray from the nozzle, helping you get the job done quicker without compromising on performance. It also features a water-cooled motor, which helps keep the motor cooler for longer, allowing you to clean more and tackle those bigger jobs around the home. Once registered with Kärcher, this machine is supported by a 7-year warranty. Kärcher electric pressure washers feature a push and twist system that makes it super easy to attach the lances as well as a wide range of accessories. The Vario Power Lance allows you to easily adjust water pressure, and the Dirt Blaster is exceptionally great for stubborn dirt on brick walls, concrete or any hard surfaces. Once the lance is in position, you can view the water pressure on the Power Control Gun LCD display, ensuring you're using the optimal pressure for each cleaning task. There's also a plug and clean detergent system. You simply flip your Kärcher detergent bottle upside down, plug it into the machine and you're ready to go. Kärcher has the widest range of electric pressure washer accessories on the market, and you can use them all with this machine, from wash brushes to surface cleaners and even the popular foam jet. The K4 features a telescopic handle so you can wheel it to wherever you want to clean quite comfortably and easily. This handle is completely retractable for easy storage, and the lances can also be stored snugly onto the unit itself. Another great feature is the hose reel, for neatly storing the high pressure hose after use. The K4 is available complete with suitable accessories and detergents to get you started on your cleaning tasks. For more information or to check out the full range of Kärcher pressure washers, head to karcher.com.au.